We got another woman coming through.
Well, it was different yesterday because it had rain. We were right at the start. Or right before the start.
A month or two ago. Or 3.
Imagine what this is like after
nice job.
For 2 days.
Straight.
Nice job, his son.
That's nice.
47 too old.
Would you like a hat or a visor?
They call me Masters and on the. I could have used that at the beginning of the race, guys, when it was raining.
The hat or
Well, I'll take the hat.
There you go. Congratulations.
Well, the next one you can have it.
Oh, good.
People love running it. They love the course.
Nice job.
Joe, that's 29.
20, is that 29? Oh no, I'm
29 person.
I'm like, that, I didn't get 29 off of that.
Yeah.
It's 10. You did it! 17 is coming up.
Okay.
Remember, you were right.
All right.
Done. Done.
Good job. All done.
Oh, I got it. About 4 minutes. I took off that one.
Tim, do you have 17?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I got it.
Do you ever
Number 30 overall, so you randomly win $10 gift certificate from Xterra.
And what age group are you in?
I'm not quite enough to be in the next age group.
Well, yeah, right. But you're just enough to be in. You're just enough to be in
I
that.
know, those are for the runners, bud. You're just young, okay? You've had a lot. Save it for the race.
I know about is not a 40-year-old. I'll be a 45 to 50.
Oh,
That's just brutal.
Not in the trail.
yeah. All right.
More experience.
It is. Good job.
Nice job. Having a toothpick.
We weren't sure if you ran into a tree and
We'll be on good.
Nope, you're all good now.
I'm leaving, guys.
Oh, okay, Mark. Thanks.
See you later. So we got $5 out of that.
Oh, yeah. I think she was hour 25.
I'll find out later. I just want to know how much money.
What was your time?
I don't know.
You know where to watch?
I forgot.
Stop it.
I wear one so I kind of know where I'm at.
Thanks for helping out. We really appreciate it.
I don't, it's, I guess
It was actually going okay, and then
like
the
the
rain
opposite.
came. It was like, oh man, that's not fun.
I don't have a heart rate monitor.
Yeah.
I don't know the exact number of miles.
Yeah,
I don't know the exact monitor. So I'm going to give it a take.
Sure. You're doing pretty good.
A 2-hour run, I will run anywhere from an hour and 10 minutes to 2 hours and 10 minutes. Just depends on how I feel. I run myself into oxygen on the curve of few hours.
Did you like this course?
This is so cool.
Good job, Mindy. Mindy.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't know. We didn't tell them there was 1,000 runners in each race. I don't know why they gave such a
Never really sat back and hiked it with my son.
No, they help, don't they? Yeah. How's your leg doing? My leg is okay.